Hey everyone, welcome back. It's the 19th of March and here we are for our usual weekly video changelog. Last week the response to our data sync tool was fantastic. You all loved it, a lot of you are already using it, and a lot of you requested additional connectors to integrate with your favorite CRM. The most requested one was Active Campaigns, and guess what we did? We implemented it, and we are releasing today support for Active Campaigns. Many more connectors are coming, so don't worry if your CRM is not supported yet. Just let me know in the comments below and we'll take care of it very, very soon. So we also have another feature that we are releasing this week. Let's go ahead and check what we have done this week. The first feature that we have released this week is support for video inside lead generation ads. Now, if you're not using lead generation ads yet, you are wasting money because they are a great way to get quickly and very simply also on mobile leads, email information about your potential customers. So you just have to go to select that you want to create a lead generation ad, and in the next step you'll be able to configure the form, all the information about this kind of ad, and you can now switch to video. If you are selling consultancy services, or if you have a camera and you can shoot a nice video, trust me, right now video advertising is working extremely well, and you should absolutely try the new lead generation ads with video. Make it funny, make it engaging. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars in professional video production. You can just take your normal camera and shoot a very quick video like I'm doing with this video changelog. I assure you it's going to work extremely well. And of course, once you have your lead generation ad set up, you have to send all those leads into your CRM. And again, this month we have released a new integration for our data sync tool, and we are now integrating with Active Campaigns. So just start creating a new flow. Set up everything on the Facebook site, pick your page, your advertising account and the form that you want to sync. And then pick Active Campaign as the destination of your data. You will have to insert the API key, etc. Don't worry, you will find a link to all the documentation, all the help you need to set that up. And here you will find all the lists that you have in Active Campaign. Just pick the list where you want to send the data, map your data between Facebook and Active Campaigns, and you are done. Every 10 minutes, all your leads will end up in the Active Campaigns, and you'll be able to send them automated response, etc. Stay tuned for the data sync because we are releasing new stuff every single week. And now, as we did last week, it's time to check two ads, one that I liked and one that I didn't like from this week in our ads gallery. The first ad is from Enjoyable, and I really liked it. They are doing something that not a lot of advertisers are doing. Instead of creating a normal link post, they are creating a photo post. There are upside and downside with this kind of ad. The big upside, as you can see, is that the picture is just huge. If you have a nice visual, this is a great way to highlight it. On the other side, the big downside is that if you click on the picture, nothing will happen. Users will be able to end on your website only if they click on the small link inside the text. I usually don't recommend doing this kind of ad, but if you have a very nice design and if you think that your post may go viral, a lot of people may like it, share it, etc., this is something that you should try because usually photo posts receive much more engagement. Couple of comments on this ad. I really like the image and I like how they quickly highlight the value proposition of their service. In 5 minutes, you could start overcoming social anxiety. This is a good message. If I have a problem of social anxiety, this is very appealing for me in 5 minutes. That's great. So that's a bold proposition, but then they use the text to create trust, backed by expert, based on decades of clinical research. And they also use social proof from a magazine. See why The Atlantic calls Enjoyable the startup that wants to cure social anxiety. So this is a very good ad. They address the emotional part in the picture and they are very rational in the text of the ad by creating social proof, by saying that it's backed by research and years of clinical research, etc. So well done, Joyable. Thumbs up. The second ad for this week is coming from Realty Austin. They are not doing a totally bad job. Actually, I pretty like how they are using a very focused targeting at the zip code level. What I don't like here is too many numbers. This is extremely cold ad. Another home just listed near you in 78748. Here I will use the name of a neighborhood. Tag your friends who are looking in the area. This is pretty good. They know that probably they won't be able to reach people that are looking for a home right now, but they are telling them, hey, if you have friends looking for a house in the area, tag them. This is extremely smart if you are in a market like real estate where it's pretty tough to find exactly who's looking for your product at this specific time. So this is a good idea, but the headline of the link is probably the worst part of this ad. 3207 Twilight TRL MLS-6325234. This doesn't seem like a marketing ad. This seems like the Yellow Pages probably, or I don't know, a SKU of an e-commerce website, but it's not something that I can understand. It's not something that creates any emotional response in me. And it's not even providing information. Maybe if I was a real estate agency, I would understand MLS 6325234, but I guess most of our potential customers are not real estate agents, so they should make this text much more appealing for their potential buyers. Okay, that's all for this week. This Wednesday I'm flying back to Italy, so the next changelog will be from the other part of the ocean, and it will be from Italy. Ciao, ciao!